Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming fit and posture. Laces snug, ankles supported, knees bent. Push into a steady glide and feel the edge of each skate bite the ice. Once stable, shift a little more weight onto the foot you will use to stop while keeping your hips square. Make small, controlled toe and heel movements to sense friction. This prepares the blade to plant when you execute the actual braking motion. Keep breath steady so you stay balanced and ready for the next step. You now commit to an edge stop. Rotate the stopping foot 30 to 45 degrees to engage the chosen edge. Bend your knees deeper to lower your center of gravity and absorb the deceleration safely. Once the edge is set, apply outward pressure progressively. Don't shove all at once, to let the blade carve and scrub away speed. Use the opposite leg and your arms for counterbalance. Extend the free foot slightly to the side for stability. Make micro adjustments to edge angle to control how quickly you slow. You finish by holding the engaged edge until your forward motion stops, then bring both feet parallel and stand tall to recover. If you feel a sudden skid, ease the edge angle and bend your knees more to regain grip. Abrupt corrections cause instability. Make sure to return your weight to center before pushing off again. If stops are inconsistent, practice at lower speeds and repeat the sequence, gradually increasing speed only when your balance and edge control are reliable. Consistent reps build confidence and muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.